Hey, what is up, YouTube? Hey, just want to make a quick video, guys. This is a 2003 Ford Explorer, Expedition, and it had a bad fuel pump, so I didn't feel like dropping the tank. As a matter of fact, I didn't have a jack and all that stuff to do it, so the tools I had available was at hand at the time was to just cut this little access panel out right here and access it from right up top. Here's the new fuel pump. I just got it installed. So on these 2003 Expeditions, what I made a mistake, and I cut a little too far up in the front right here, but it actually is supposed to be directly in the middle of the driver's seat, right here in the middle part, straight down. That's where you make your first cut. Then you'll come across, and then your other cut right there. But this is exactly where you want to cut, right here in this area. If you come past this line, past the half line over here towards this way, you'll fuck it up. So you want to stay directly. Use this. Imagine you have a center line going directly down the middle of your driver's seat, split in half. Follow that line, and you will see it'll come straight here, correspond with this line right here. So this will be your cut, and from there you can just access everything right there. It was just like 2 minutes to get it out. So now to refill this hole, I'm going to put a piece of sheet metal, and it's going to overlap about 3 inches on each side right here. And I'm going to leave access for the hole for the seat, of course, and it's going to overlap right here and on this side for structural stability. And all this, I'm going to straighten this back up and get it back down in there. But just want to make a quick video. There was another video on here, the guy, and he didn't really explain too much, but I figured I'll make one to give you guys a little bit more of a detailed explanation. And I got one of these things right here to take the cap off. So there you have it, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.